One month, a few times around 9:32. What you can see is that the market actually gapped down and showed some kind of positive momentum, consolidated and showed a very good bullish momentum, clearly breaking structure towards the upside. You can see a clear break of structure, clearly indicating the market sentiment is bullish. But what happened is here, after showing some kind of positive momentum, a lot of buyers might have entered the market here, expecting the market to go further higher. But what you can expect is that the market, there is a very good chance that the market rejecting from this levels guys over here, the horizontal line which I am out over here, and continuing bearish. So what I have thought of is that either I'm extend my stop loss just above this candle, the order block level here, as you can see the 1 minute order block over here, or just below this candle itself. So this is the range which I'm thinking of. In case if the market heads bullish, the market might break these levels, or in case guys the market turns out to be bearish, there is a high chance the market may even break this level towards the downside as well. Even though the market showed a very good positive momentum towards the upside, both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty, you can see the market broke this structure high with fair value gaps as well as imbalance over here. But you can see there is a rejection. Price was not able to cross this levels first. A rejection of price from the anchor VWAP level, or you can consider this to be a Monday's VWAP level. So there is a high chance the market might go bearish wise. So what you can see is to all look for bearish setups guys. So as of now, I am looking for a bearish setup. So you can see the market consolidating above the 9 as well as the 21 moving average, above the day VWAP level, and above the 200 moving average, clearly signifying bullish momentum is. During this period of time, the market sentiment is clearly bullish, as you can see. But as of my conviction is, what I'm thinking is that there is a very good probability for the market to reverse. And one such probability is this Asian market zone over here. This zone, guys, what happened here is that the market struck this high, rejected price from these levels, and came back to range over here. So in case if the market rejects price and shows some kind of sentiment towards the downside, guys, there is a very good probability that the market might continue further towards the bearish momentum. And you can see the market is siding bullish on this. But in case if the market rejects price from these order block levels, there is a high probability the market might continue further selling. But in case if the market doesn't break this levels, guys, in case if the market breaks this level with huge impulsive candles or fair value gaps, the market might continue further bullish momentum. But as of now, what I'm thinking is that the market taking support from 9 moving average over here, you can see clearly indicating some sort of support over here. And let's look into Bank Nifty. You can see the market over here, guys, gap down, rallied all the way here. So what you can expect is that the market might, in case if the market breaks this 50 levels, there is high probability the market may continue bullish also. You can see the market is almost reaching at that levels only. So what you can see is that in case, guys, the market fails to break this high, instead the market breaks this low, it's considered to be a chop formation. So let's see within this range, guys, when market breaking upside, we look for long position, and breaking downside, we look for short positions over here. And in Nifty 50, you can see the market is kind of bullish. So in case, guys, we have brought this horizontal level over here, but the market was not aggressive towards the downside. And there is order block level, guys. So what you can see here is that to look for downside in case if the market aggressively breaks this level, guys. So as of now, my sentiment is very friendly. So let's look for bearish setup itself. Even though the market shows some kind of bullish momentum during the initial phase. Let's wait and watch, guys. You can see, guys, it's bearish momentum. And let's see in case if even in Bank Nifty also the market is showing some kind of momentum. You can see the market failed to make this high. This is a failure swing, guys. So it's not a very strong resistance area over here. This is a failure swing where the market failed to sweep liquidity above these levels. Instead, the market came all the way to these levels and rejected price from these levels. So in case if the market again tries to head higher, there is a very good probability the market might break that level also. But we need to see a close up below this level, guys. You can see the bearish candles over here. I need to see an aggressive close of price below this level. Only then we can clearly think that the market sentiment is being bearish. But in a higher time frame, guys, what you can see is this whole swing is a single swing, guys. The whole momentum towards the upside is a single swing over here. And if you try to close your entry gap level, the price as of now is very bullish, guys. There is no point in me telling the market sentiment is bearish. You can see the market clearly showing very good positive momentum. And a lot of people might take long position only here instead of short position because you can see clearly the market sentiment is bullish and market is trading above the 9 as well as the 21 moving average. But as of my conviction is to trap all those buyers who might have entered, the market will definitely come and break these levels. You can see this bearish three cow candle setups over here, which clearly indicating bearishness, guys. So you can see some kind of fair value gaps or imbalance in candle, as well as impulsive momentum towards the downside. I want to see a price closing below these levels. In case if the price closes below this 21 moving average, there is a very good probability the market might continue bearish. You can see here with this kind of huge impulsive candle, where in a 5 minute time frame also the market broke this 200 moving average towards the upside, clearly indicating some sort of bullish momentum is. But my conviction though was definitely perfect, as you can see how the market came on the way. And if you consider this swing momentum over here, we go to higher this candle, you can see the VWAP also has been broken towards the upside. There are two possible scenarios after this kind of huge bearish momentum, guys. One is, okay, let me plot. If you plot the low to high of this candle, guys, there is a 350 level over here, and this 350 level is in confluence with the anchor VWAP level over here. You can see this is Monday's VWAP level, the 200 moving average as well as the daily VWAP level. So there is a very good strong support zone over here, guys. So either you can expect the market to come, take support from these levels and continue bullish also. One possible scenario is that the market taking support and continuing bullish. This is one possible scenario. So let's try to keep this in one side. And another possible scenario is that after this kind of momentum, the market may come again, may show some kind of bullish momentum and break this level and continue bearish. So this is one possible scenario where you can expect price to behave. Or what you can see is that the market breaking these levels, continue and showing some kind of consolidation over here, break and continue towards the upside, or even break towards the downside. Either of this can be happen, guys. So these are possible scenarios. Let's see. As of now, the market is taking support over here. In case if the market breaks this level, this momentum is perfect. In case if the market takes support over here, shows some kind of momentum towards the upside and finally breaking towards the downside, this momentum, or if the market consolidates, this is the high things you can possibly hack away. So let's try to keep this in one side, and let me keep this as so you can see. I would like to keep this all three besides each other and see how things gonna work out. The market is showing some kind of bullish momentum, and as you can see, you still plot your anchor VWAP level here. So anchor VWAP level also, in case if the market breaks this anchor level towards to upside, you can expect the market to go bullish. So if you consider the low to high of this candle, this momentum, guys, is not as strong enough. So either you can expect the market to come here, reject price from these levels over here, this fair value gap as well as the 450 levels over here. This is the 450 level, or you can see clearly the market is rejecting price from 0.38 level over here. So you can see a clear rejection of price from 0.38 level, clearly indicating bearishness. And in case of the market breaks this neckline, guys, you can take short position. You can see, guys, the market clearly broke. So what you can take is that short position here, guys. I want to see a close of that candle below, guys. Only if market closes below this level, you can see either you can expect the market to take support and continue further bullish also. So I want to see another close of this candle below this level. Market rejecting price from 0.38 level. So what you can do, the people who might have shorted here, guys, can try your stop loss all the way to this level over here. In case if the market breaks above this level, the market might go bullish. But in case if the market rejects from this level, guys, above this high over here, or you can consider this high over here, the market might go bearish, guys. Or if the market sentiment is bullish, now what you can expect is that the market taking support from these levels and continuing bullish. See, the market retraced and broke towards the downside and failed to make a level low. So you can try your stop losses here and enter short position once if the market closes below this neckline over here. I need to see a close below this neckline over here. So you can see this previous low over here. So as of now, the market has not yet closed. So market closed below this level, clearly indicating bearishness. So what you can do is to take short position here, guys, keeping your stop loss just above this candle itself. And what you can do is to target towards the downside. So you can Keep your stop loss just above that candle itself, guys. I'm just telling you a one candle of stop loss is what I'm expecting. So you can expect the market to come all the way towards the downside. So a one candle of stop loss is what I'm thinking. See, even before this market formation only, guys, I told you what happened is that you can see clearly this is the pattern which actually formed, guys. The market came here, broke this level, and rejected price from these levels and break towards the downside. So after this break of structure, on retracement is where we need to take position, but our entry is very aggressive, guys. So what we can take is to take position here itself. So why not? Why we need to wait for retracement? So you can see clearly the market broke structure towards the downside. You can see clear break of structure. This momentum is only to initiate buyers to enter the market, guys. So a lot of retail traders or pony traders might have entered the market, seeing this kind of huge bullish momentum, expecting the market to go further bullish. But the overall sentiment, guys, if you see from past 2 days, the market sentiment is being bearish only. You can see the market rejecting price from these levels, consolidated again, break towards the downside. And if you look into Bank Nifty also, guys, you can see the overall sentiment here was bearish only. So what we need to see is a bigger picture, guys, of the market, how the market is behaving, and based on that is how you can trade. You can see the market broke this neckline, retested this breakable of levels, and continuing further bearish. And you can see market came all the way to this level also. Definitely, even these levels will be broken towards the downside, guys, and you can expect a huge downward momentum as well. So overall sentiment of market is bearish only, guys. So definitely you can see, guys, taking your short position here, you could see you could have captured. Just trial your stop loss all the way to these levels, guys. Trial your stop losses. You can see you can trial here. Initially, I told you to trial it here, but you can actually trial it all the way to this levels also. Ma'am, what drop side? You can see the market is continuing bearish. You can see rejection of price from 0.38 level, clearly indicating you can trial your stop losses till this level, guys, or you can break even, expecting the market to continue further. You can see this previous demand also over here. This demand over here, guys, was also being broken towards the downside, clearly indicating bearishness. So definitely you can look for short setups only, guys. And what we expected, the price taking support failed to make an higher high. So beyond this level also will be clearly broken. So guys, what you can see exactly at this moment is where I told you guys to take short position or even this momentum after seeing this kind of rejection candle. So I hope you're understanding, guys, how you need to trade. So you could have captured this momentum towards the downside, guys. Yeah, 100 points in downward momentum is where you could have captured. You can expect some kind of reversal, guys, but definitely the market sentiment is being bearish. So just hold on to your bearish trades. And if you try to plot this reversal over here, guys, the common point within this, to the common point within this, so you can see the market came all the way to this levels over here, the 0.38 level. This was the reversal over here, the last upward momentum. So I can still hold on to my trade, guys. So this is the last up move before it broke structure towards the downside. You can see. Mm, so if you plot the high to low of this candle over here, you can see the market coming all the way to these levels. Let's try to hold on to our trade. And usually during this period of time, guys, whenever you're trying to hold on to your trade, it's very difficult after seeing certain profit. A lot of retail traders or non-experienced traders, guys, will exit their position after seeing a little bit of profit. But during this period of time, guys, what you need to do is that you should look at just 9 as well as 21 moving average. In case if the market breaks this level, only then you can exit, guys. See, you can trial your stop loss all the way to this level, then 21 moving average over here, and price closing above 21 moving average is where you can exit your trades. But you can see clearly the market is trading below the 9 as well as 21 moving average, clearly indicating bearish sentiment. So definitely you just try to hold on to your trades, guys. And you can see a large impulsive imbalance candle over here. So either you can expect price taking support from mid of the first candle or the 5 minute zone over here. So we can just target it to this level size. Initial target is during with this levels is where you can target, and rest is if price is trading below the 9 as well as 20 moving average, rest is up to that, guys. Or we can just keep it in a 5 minute time frame over here and just try to leave it as it is, guys. So in case if the market is breaking, you can trial your stop loss all the way to this level over here, and you could have made a decent profit in this momentum. So even if the market reverses to the side, you are now risk free, guys. So you don't care like whether the market is gonna hit your stop losses or not. Even if market hit your stop losses, you'll be exiting with a minor profit. So this is what how you need to treat, guys, risk free trades. You shouldn't take too much of risk into your heart, and don't take trades too personally, guys. So let me hold, guys. I can hold for a while, so I'll just try to fast forward it. You can see here, guys, the market kind of taking support over here. And what do you think is the market might reverse in this manner? So this never's gonna that to never is gonna happen, guys. You can see the market taking and breaking this level, so this will never happen, guys. You can see there is no clear support zone also, guys, over there, where you can expect the market to reverse over here. You can see even there is no proper support over here. There is a very good chance the market breaking this level over here, guys. Very high probability the market might break this level, because you can see with this momentum, guys, there is no clear support zone over here. The only support zone is this level over here, which was an huge impulsive imbalance candle over here. So either the price taking support here, or why would price take support, guys? You can see after this candle, you can expect another huge bearish candle coming all the way to this level as well, guys. So just try to hold on to your trade. Here there is a very strong resistance, guys. Break, retest, and continue further is what I'm expecting. Break of this level, retest, and further continuation of price towards the downside is what I'm expecting. So either you can either expect a market, guys, from this level, another bearish candle over here. In case if the market breaks this level, guys, the market might go bullish, but there is a very less probability the market to break all these levels and continue further bullish. But you can see there was a very good strong momentum. But what you can see here is that if you consider the low to high of this candle here, so what we can take is to take another short position once if this 0.5 levels has been broken towards the downside. So the 0.5 level has been broken towards the downside, and keeping a stop loss just above that candle. So I'm expecting a bearish candle over here, guys. Another bearish candle towards the downside of equal momentum. Only then you can see the market here, guys, showing exhaustion in this bullish momentum, or you can expect indecision candle over here. So let's wait and watch, guys, how the market behaves here. There is a fair value gap over here. That's why the market has to come and mitigate this fair value gap in the premium zones over here. This is a discount zone, guys. So you can see the market mitigating this level. And once it says 0.5 levels has been broken towards the downside, That's when we can take another long position, short position over here and targeting it all the way towards the downside. So for target levels, guys, what you can see, this is the 100% move. The 100% move is what I'm targeting. And the next is the 1.68 level over here. So 1.68 level, these are the first two targets where I'm expecting the market to continue. So you can trial your stop losses till this level, guys. In case if the market takes support from these levels or continue bullish, there is a very good momentum. The market might continue bullish. So either as for us to be very safe, guys, you can trial your stop losses till this levels over here. So this is our trial as well. So see, we can capture this momentum towards the downside and retraced over here. So in case the market breaks this level, there is a very good chance the market might go bullish. So you can see market rejecting price from this anchor way up level. In case the market fails to make an higher high, instead market breaks towards the downside or breaks the zero point 0.5 levels over here. That's when we can consider the market to go bearish. And there is an order block level also here. As you can see, this is another order block level. So either you can see a market mitigating this order block, showing some kind of reaction. But if another candle over here shows some kind of bearish momentum, there's a very good chance the market might go bearish and breaking this order block level as well as the zero point 0.5 levels towards the downside. If this happens, guys, taking short position, keeping your stop loss above that candle itself. So that's what I'm expecting the market to be here. So as of now, there are three possible scenarios. The market taking support over here and continuing bullish. This is one case scenario. Or another case scenario is the market, guys, taking support over here, consolidating here. Or you can expect a reversal like this. So this is one case scenario where you can expect. So you can see market closed below the zero point 0.5 levels, guys, clearly indicating bearishness. So what you can do is to take another short position, keeping a stop loss just above that candle itself. And for target levels, we'll be looking for 1.6 level over here. So guys, three possible entries which I have showed you. You can see the market closed below this level, guys. So the zero point 0.5 levels, I'll take this out. The order block levels also, I'll take this out over here. The trial SL will definitely hold. I take this 50 levels out also. Let me take this everything clutter out, guys. Since there is no point in still keeping these drawings over here. So my stop loss is just above the candle, guys. A single candle stop loss. So just try to follow your stop losses, guys. Every you should be very brutal with your stop losses. You can see how the market came. It reached here. Just try to hold on to your trade, guys. Definitely you can become profitable. You can see what happened here is that the market came and mitigated these levels, guys. So you can see the market, if you consider the low of this candle to the compound in this to the compound in this, what you can see is that the market mitigating is optimum trade entry zone over here, guys. So this is the optimum trade entry zone where the market came, failed to make a lower low here. So in case, guys, if our market breaks this level, we'll exit our position with a small stop loss. This is our stop losses here, guys. So you can expect the market to take support here and continue further bullish as well. So there are possibility, guys. I expected that the market might continue and break this level, but you can see here the market taking support from these levels and continuing very bullish. You can see the market, guys, over here swept these previous candles over here, and there was a fair value gap over here, guys. So the market came and mitigated this fair value gap between this. So in case if the market turns bearish, there is you can expect the market to break all the way to this level as well. Or in case of the market goes bullish, you can expect our top losses to be hit. So either of these two possible scenarios can occur, guys. So just try to hold on to your trade. You can see, but what we need to see here is the overall market, guys. The overall sentiment in market. The overall sentiment as of now is the market sentiment is bullish. So you can't expect the market to take support here and go bullish, guys. There should be clear support zones over here. Even though the market came all the way to this optimum trade entry, showed some kind of bullish momentum, but you can see that's just to mitigate this fair value gap over here. So my stop losses has been here only, guys. I haven't changed my stop losses. You can see rejection of price from 21 moving average, clearly indicating bearishness, and market this candle breaking the anchor gap level towards the downside. In case if the market rejects price from these levels and forms another bearish candle, there is a very good possible scenario that the market might continue. And with another bearish candle rise, you can expect the market to reach all the way to these levels as well as this 1.68 level as well. So I'm just trying to hold on to my trade and don't take risks trades personally, guys. If you see market trading against your direction, guys, just accept your stop losses. The first and the foremost important thing is to learn to accept stop losses, guys. Once if you master to accept stop losses, only then you can become a profitable trader, guys. And you should be definitely knowing how the market behaves, how the market um, does, guys, how the market behaves, price action, and you should know how the market behaves, guys. And based on that only you can trade. See, I told you why the market came all the way to this optimum trade entry. So there's no point in keeping this. So you can expect a huge bearish momentum only. So our first target is this 100% move over here. So and the next target here is the 1.68 level. And if these both levels targets has been done, guys, I will be you can expect bearish momentum. You can expect the market to come all the way to these levels also. So either you can expect the market to come to 2400 also, guys. Say all the way to 2400 also, all the way to 2400 also throughout the day. But for video purpose, guys, I can't be holding all the trade. I will be just. I have showed you three possible entries, guys. Here, one entry, here another entry, here another entry. Now, what you can do is to trial your stop loss all the way to this level over here, and just enjoy your profits, guys. You can see the market here broke towards the downside, broke previous low also. You can see clearly the market broke previous low, and you can see this kind of bearish momentum. This momentum was just to initiate buyers to enter the market. Here, another momentum to initiate buyers. I hope you're understanding, guys. And you can see how the bearish momentum over here. First target is the 100% move. Second is the 1.68, and the third, this is my third target, guys. So either you can expect the market to come all the way to this levels also and break this level towards the downside as well. So I'll just try to hold on to my trade. You can see our 100% is almost reached, right? First target is done, guys. Target one is done. You can see we have captured it all the way. 150 points in momentum we have captured it, guys. Second target is 1.68 level. The third target is below this low. So either you can expect some kind of momentum towards the upside, like the market showing some kind of bearish momentum and momentum towards the upside continue further bearish, or you can expect either the market very aggressively selling and breaking all these levels towards the downside. Either you can expect such kind of momentum rise. Our first target is done, guys. So we are waiting for this momentum towards the downside. Or you can just try to hold on to your trade as long as the market is trading above below the 9 as well as the 21 moving average. So you can see market is consolidating, guys. So whenever you see that kind of consolidation, you just try to shift in a higher time frame analysis and say how the market is behaving in a higher time frame. So you can see after this kind of huge bullish bearish candle over here, a small dodgy candle is formed. So what you can see is that in case of this candle is being broken towards the downside, there is a high probability the market will continue further bearish. But in case of this candle, guys, the market sweeps here in a 5 minute time frame and closes within this range. So you can expect the market to continue bullish. You can see the market closing below the previous candle over here. You can see the close, guys. So for the next is that the market breaking this low. So that's what I'm expecting. So let's shift back to in a 1 minute time frame and see how the market in a 1 minute time frame is behaving. I want to see a close below this level, guys. And you can see clearly the market is trading below the 9 as well as the 20 moving average. Below the 9 also it clearly signifies market sentiment to be very bearish. In premium movements, guys, you can see it's not as bullish as what you have seen here. You can see the market, guys, here shows some kind of huge bearish momentum towards the downside, and with this momentum, again the market showed aggressive selling, guys. But here we can see the market just was rejecting price from 20 and moving average. But here we can see the market came exactly to this dimension. That's why a lot of option buyers, guys, will lose money because you can see